welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a kindergarten farewell cake for my youngest daughter, who is ending kindergarten this year. She's starting school soon, and she really wanted me to make a cake for their farewell party. And I said I would. I had no problems with that. But I asked her if there was some sort of theme, and she said it's circus themed. So we're making a two-tiered circus themed fondant cake as a farewell to my daughter's kindergarten. So let's get started.
The bottom tier is a 9-inch vanilla cake with red vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream. I used the same buttercream for both tiers. I filled and frosted the cakes with the red buttercream. I only colored it red because red is such a classic color for the circus. My 6-year-old helped me to frost it. And I cleaned up the cake board. I chilled the cake while moving on to the top tier. Then I built the top tier on a piece of cardboard covered in tin foil. This is a 7-inch chocolate cake. I frosted the cake and chilled it in the fridge while I frosted the bottom tier again. Then I frosted the top tier again. I rolled out some white fondant and covered the bottom tier with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. And I did the same thing with the top tier. Then I stacked the 2 tiers. Today I'm using kind of thin wooden skewers. They still work though. Now we decorate it with red and blue. I rolled out some red fondant and cut it into strips. I placed the strips vertically on the bottom tier. And I laid another stripe along the bottom of the cake and curled up the end just for fun. Then I rolled out some blue fondant, cut it in a stripe, and zigzagged it to create a swag. And I placed it between the tiers. Then I cut out some blue triangles and placed them between the stripes on the bottom tier. And I rolled out some red fondant and cut out some small stars and placed them along the edge of the top tier. And I rolled out some more red fondant and used some letter cutters. I cut out the word fest and the year 2023. I didn't feel like there was room for a longer word than that, and I placed it on top of the cake. I am really proud of this one. It's big and very festive. We'll miss this kindergarten. They were awesome to us. Thank you, kindergarten. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.